break apart the
What's up, guys? It's CFN. My name's Connor and welcome back to CFN TV. Today we're going to react to some more RWBY Chapter 5, the First Step Part 2. I'm thoroughly enjoying this series. Like I said, this is free for you guys, so make sure the reviews and likes are positive, my friends, for this, because obviously I'll keep going. But like I said, it's for free. I'm not making money off of this. So let's just get right into this. If you got any requests, make sure you check out my comments, Twitter, and business email. And let's just get right into the video. The original video will be in the description down below. Let's go.
Parody, no!
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nailed it.
They're having fun. He's so not ready.
I'm sorry. Gotta
She
find
says
Yang.
sorry a lot.
Gotta find Yang. Gotta find Yang. Gotta find Yang. Yang. Oh, this is bad. This is really bad. Oh, what if I can't find her? What if someone finds her first? Well, there's always Jean. He's nice. He's funny. I don't think he's very good in a fight, though. Oh, what about Blake? So mysterious, so calm. Plus, she likes books. Well, then again, I'm not sure I'd be able to hold a conversation with her. Ugh. Okay, who else do I know in this school? There's Yang, John, Blake, and...
Crap.
Wait! Where are you going? We're supposed to be teammates. Ow! Come on, stupid. By no means does this make us friends. You came back!
Hey, wait! Come back! Who's gonna get me down from here?
Jean? Do you have any spots left on your team?
Very funny.
What's the hurry? I will not let my mission be delayed because you're too slow. I swear if I get a bad grade because you're... What the? I'm not slow, see? You don't have to worry about me. When did... Weiss, just because I don't exactly know how to deal with people doesn't mean I don't know how to deal with monsters. You're about to see a whole different side of me today, Weiss. And after it's all over, you're gonna be like, wow, that RWBY girl is really, really cool. And I want to be your friend. You may be fast, but you still excel at wasting time. RWBY?
Come on, you have a sword.
RWBY?
You have a sword. You have a sword. So use it.
RWBY!
You have a sword. Don't you have a weapon? Defend yourself, lady. Anyway. This was First Step Part 2. I enjoyed it. Hope you guys did too. So make sure you check out the original video in the description down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the CFN Nation, brother. Ugh. And we'll see you next time. Peace.
we can break apart the